Hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech Solution channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Yahoo logging problem. So guys, if you are facing this kind of problem, you have to at first check your internet connection, because sometimes if your internet connection is become poor, then your Yahoo mail will loading and that problem will arrive. And if your internet connection is good, then you can do one thing. You have to just hold and press the Yahoo mail for a time. Then here you will this option and tap on the I option, swipe down and go to storage. Then you will find two options, clear data and clear cache. You have to clear your data from here, and then you have to clear your cache from here. And after doing all this thing, you have to restart your phone properly, and after that the problem will be definitely solved. So guys, that's it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.